In this video, we'll cover how to use the import students method if you don't have Microsoft Excel to open the CSV file. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your class in Educate, and then from there click on the Members tab. Now go ahead and click on the Import Students link. Now you're going to download the CSV template to your device. And we've got the instructions here, but the reason you're watching this video most likely is that you do not have Microsoft Excel or another spreadsheet program on your device. So this method is ideal for users who are using Chromebooks or just don't have any software or would just prefer to do it all online. So once you have your template, you're going to go to this website, which will be linked in the tutorial, which is Edit CSV Online, and you are going to open it from your device. So go ahead and click Open and then search for that downloaded CSV file template from your Downloads folder. Once you've opened the file, you'll notice that there are 2 rows and 4 columns. You're going to want to add as many additional rows as you need for your students. So if I need, let's say 10 rows, I have 10 students, I'm going to right click on that row number 2 and add rows to ultimately make as many as I need for my students. So now that we have our rows in place, we're going to complete the different fields: the first name of the student, the last name, their password, and an email. This field is optional, but if you have an email for your student, go ahead and put it in. So in this example, we would be importing 1 student. So we'd want to make sure that any extra lines are deleted. So to do that, you simply just highlight the lines, holding the Shift key, clicking on the last row, right click, and click Delete Row. So you're wanting to make sure you don't have any extra lines or rows or any additional columns that weren't in the template. Now you're ready to save the document, so go ahead and click the Save button, and that will have downloaded the updated CSV to your downloads. Now going back into Educate, you're just going to take that file. You can either click here to browse it from your downloads, or you can just drag and drop it into this area here. Now just click Upload Users, and your students will be imported into your class, and they will be created in the system as well. If you have any questions on this process or need assistance, be sure to complete a support ticket in our support center.